Trial balance. Ang trial balance ay listahan ng lahat ng total amount sa bawat ledger accounts. Lahat ng total balance sa bawat ledger accounts ay pinoposte or nililipat papuntang trial balance. Ang purpose ng trial balance ay para masubok ang recording process kung lahat ba ng debit amount sa bawat accounts at credit amount sa bawat accounts mula sa first step or journalizing papuntang ledger hanggang sa trial balance ay parehas or tally. Ang literal na meaning ng trial balance ay para matest kung balanse ba ang total debits sa total credits. Posting to trial balance. Cash ledger account ending balance 733,000 pesos. Base sa T account, ang cash ay may debit balance. Ang cash ledger account debit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance cash account debit column. Accounts receivable ledger account ending balance 0. Base sa T account, ang accounts receivable ay may 0 balance at ang normal balance ng accounts receivable account ay debit balance. Kaya ang accounts receivable 0 balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance accounts receivable account debit column. Inventory ledger account ending balance 740,000 pesos. Base sa T account, ang inventory ay may debit balance. Ang inventory ledger account debit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance inventory account debit column. Accounts payable ledger account ending balance 0. Base sa T account, ang accounts payable ay may 0 balance at ang normal balance ng accounts payable account ay credit balance. Kaya ang accounts payable 0 balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance accounts payable account credit column. John Capital ledger account ending balance 1 million pesos. Base sa T account, ang John Capital ay may credit balance. Ang John Capital ledger account credit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance John Capital account credit column. Service revenue ledger account ending balance 168,000 pesos. Base sa T account, ang service revenue ay may credit balance. Ang service revenue ledger account credit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance service revenue account credit column. Repair service revenue ledger account ending balance 155,000 pesos. Base sa T account, ang repair service revenue ay may credit balance. Ang repair service revenue ledger account credit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance repair service revenue account credit column. Sales revenue ledger account ending balance 750,000 pesos. Base sa T account, ang sales revenue ay may credit balance. Ang sales revenue ledger account credit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance sales revenue account credit column. Cost of parts sold ledger account ending balance 600,000 pesos. Base sa T account, ang cost of parts sold ay may debit balance. Ang cost of parts sold account debit balance ay ililipat papuntang trial balance cost of parts sold account debit column.